Guys, I got myself a Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, self-cleaning. So let's look at the unboxing video, yeah? First of all, it comes with this manual. I think it's more like a quick start. Yeah, how to open it and how to put in all the accessories in a very nice cardboard, yeah? Take this out first. So from here, I think you can see there's a warranty card or manual here, and there is a brush and cable, and this is for mopping purpose, I think. Yeah, for mopping. Here's the cable. This is for mopping. Very nice. This is the brush. Yep. This first. Oh, this is actually pretty big, yeah. It's about 40 cm, guys. 40 cm tall. So if you're buying this, make sure you have 40 cm height for this. Alright, comes with some guides as well on how to this is the on and home button as usual, and you can also put some water here, and you can also take this out to pour it away. I think the white one is the clean water and this is the dirty water. It's self-explanatory. Let's check this out. This is the white container, and this is how it looks inside. It's actually pretty simple. It's actually drips. It actually moves the water down from here into the vacuum, yeah. And this is where it goes in from. Yep, this part. So just like that. Yep. And how do you open this? Actually, there's a latch here. Just open this way and fill in the water. Pretty simple. And this part is where the dirty water is. After it's done, it will be sucking to this part. Yep. And just open this and pour it out and clean it. Yep. Okay. Most of the place here is just for water. Yeah, whether it's dirty or clean water. Yeah. At the bottom here, let's take a look, guys. This is where oh, okay. So this is where the cleaning comes from, yeah. And there's a ramp going up. This is interesting, yeah, guys. And this is attached to it. You can't remove it. Not removable, yeah, guys. This will goes up and it goes in here to park and to do the, what do you call this, the charging as well. Yeah, this two metal piece here is the connection for the charging part. So yeah, I'm gonna go through it once I have installed this. Yep. So there's a light LED here, LED light here, and let's go behind and take a look. And this is where you can there's a handle there, of course, and this is where you put in your cable. Yeah, this is like for you to organize the cable nicely. And yeah, I think it's here. Let's see. Yep, the hole is here for you to connect the cable, the power cable, and it's pretty simple. Yeah, let's try and put the cable first, then I'll find a place to install this. So this is where I plug in the cable. Either direction should be fine. Yeah, and if you don't need to have such a long cable, then you just organize it this way. Okay? Then you can shorten your cable. Yep, I think I need a longer one, so I'll just put it this way first. It's now plugged in, and you can see there's a LED already on. Yeah. Oh, that is it, guys. I think you need to take this out as well. Yep. And from here you can see it's actually quite simple item. Yeah, it's just like very normal. There's one case for you to keep your dirts. It's not as, oh yeah, this way. Okay, this way on the left, yeah. Okay, the filter is from outside. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple to do this. Yep. So okay, as usual, Xiaomi will have this on and off button and also a home button, and this is where the sensors are. Yeah, you will keep the sensors here as well. Okay, and this is where the place it will charge. Yeah, the connectors to the charging station, and there's a sensor here as well. Interesting. From behind, from underneath, let's see. Underneath is pretty simple. This is just to open the place where you can clean the brush. Yeah, the brush is pretty normal as well, nothing special about it. I've been using their robotic vacuum for quite some time. So this is still the same, and there's one brush that is coming here, and yeah, that's basically it's, and there's a lot of sensors here as well. Yeah, interesting. And this is where you put the two mop. So I'm going to install them now. Yeah, all the mops as well as the brush. Okay, that should do it. Yep, now it's intact. Two more mop. Oh, I think this is magnetic. This is magnetic, guys, because the moment I put it in, it's just installed. Yeah, I think that's it. You know, the installation is very simple. I didn't even read the manual. Yeah, self-explanatory. So I'm placing this just at this corner where I have a little bit of space, and I'll try and click home. I think it's not charged yet, so I'm going to just push it in. Yeah, so let it charge first. So guys, I have been using this for about a week plus, close to 2 weeks now, and it's now telling me that it's out of water. No water. Yes. Okay, what happened is that I have already filled this up, and it will clean the mop behind under here. Yeah, they will do some cleaning underneath, and then the dirty water will comes in here. It will suck into this instead, so it's all filled up. I will just need to fill this up again with clean water, and then just pour this away. The dirty water looks like I can't really see it because the plastic is in black color, so I'm just going to pour this out. It's actually quite heavy. There isn't anywhere I can hold once I open this, and it's quite smelly as well. Put it here. Yeah, I think you can see that. So this is done. I'm just gonna put this back. Close this first, then put this back, and fill this up with clean water. Okay, it's full, so I'm just going to close this and bring it out. So just put this back, and I'm done. So right now I will use my app. It's actually Xiaomi Home app to start the mopping and vacuuming function. Yeah, it will mop and also vacuum at the same time. So yeah, let's start that. So it's now going to wash the mop behind. I don't think I can let you see them. They're actually working under here. Something is actually cleaning the mop. Yeah, there's two pieces of mop, one on the left, one on the right. Yeah, and the clean water is coming down. Then you clean the mop. Then you suck back in to this. So now it's ready to clean. The mop is cleaned, and as you can see, yeah, there's some still dirty water there, but I just don't bother to touch it. Not for now, maybe later. And this is the China version, yeah? That's why it's speaking in Mandarin. So it's doing both at the same time. You're mopping and vacuuming, yeah? And it's actually pretty intelligent. I think most robots nowadays can do the same. They'll just find their ways out. And pretty clean. And great, it's avoiding my subwoofer. The previous one would just knock into it, yeah? And check that out. I'll just see whether it can easily find its way out. Yes, it can. There's some hairs there as well. See whether you pick this up. So great. We will just pick all those hairs up and also mop at the same time. As you can see, it's a little wet, yeah? It's a little wet. So will it pick up all the rest as well? Yes, most of it. Okay, great. And I do have something like this here. It's what do you call this? Weight measurer, yeah. But the thing is, it just go up and come back down, as if it's nothing. Yeah. So good. I think it went out for about 5 minutes, and now it's going back to clean the mop again. Yeah. So I'll just let it get back in and do some self-cleaning on the mop, yeah, which is here or the back here. So hopefully it will also help me to mop this mess right in front. Okay. Yeah. Water coming down, clean the mop inside, and later on this will suck back in here. Okay, it's back out again. So it will go back to the original place where it left off. I think it's somewhere near my dining table. So it should be going back there. Yep, it's going back to the dining table, and it didn't start mopping yet. I think it will start to mop again when it reaches its destination. Okay, I think it's arriving the place where it left off, and start mopping again. There you go. And hopefully it doesn't take my cable. The previous machine will just it's not advisable to do that, but it's not taking it, yeah, which is good. Hey guys, I've been using this for a month now, and it has been great. I've tried to put in some floor cleaner liquid into this place where this part, the ratio is 1 to 100. So say you have a full tank, you only need to have 1% of the liquid for floor cleaning in there. Yeah, I think I have put too much and resulted to have some funny smell or weird smell on the mop. after a while of using it. So try to keep it as little as possible, yeah. And so far it's been great. After 1 month of using it, nothing wrong with it at all, but you still need to maintain it by putting new clean water, clear the dirty water, and also after some time you need to check whether it have actually stuck with a lot of hairs or not. You still need to cut them off. I think that's normal. So yeah, I think this is a great investment so far. My floor have been quite clean, yeah, and I only use it about twice a week or 3 times a week, yeah. So okay, thank you for watching, and you have anything you would like to know about this, just comment, and thank you so much. Bye.